Okay, it's late in the afternoon. I'm going home. G'day world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. Sorry, I'm struggling. I just got home. It is dark on a Friday night, but I have things I want to show you because I want to do a few mods on these guys, or not mods, but like make them look better over the weekend. And then it's Huntex, so I want to show you a little bit of that, compliments of Aldo. And yes, let's get into this. I bought these things secondhand. It was a lot, and I got these two things as a freebie extra. Okay, but this is what I want to show you. I have one of these, two of these. Okay, so it was a lot of 5 Victorinox knives. They are second-hand, but 2 of these I already have. Okay, we have our corkscrew and our awl. And then on this side, like I said, second-hand, used. We have our normal things. Then we have our big blade. Okay, very nice. And we have our small blade, which makes this a Spartan. Okay, so I do already have a Spartan, but I want to try something interesting on this one. Then, this guy that belonged to Janine. Okay, Janine, congratulations. Your knife is now my knife. Okay, on this one, we have an awl, we have a corkscrew, we have a missing toothpick, we do have a small blade, we have a big blade, we have, this is also a Spartan. Okay, so I have 2 Spartans. Okay, so I didn't check that nicely when I got them. Yes, okay, beautiful. So we have 2 Spartans, fantastic. Then, this guy, UCC Coffee. This one actually looks pretty decent still. But this one, same front part as those guys, but at the back we have the awl and we have a Phillips head screwdriver. Now this is a Tinker. I have never owned a Tinker. Okay, so you see it's exactly the same thing, exactly the same amount of levels, but instead of a corkscrew, now we have a screwdriver. Okay, nice. Tinker collection is growing. Then we have this guy. I was very excited about this one. Okay, look at this marvelous thing. Okay, so at the back, let's start here. We do have our awl, beautiful. We have our partial hook. Yeah, we'll get into uses and stuff for those guys when we get there. And we have our corkscrew. Okay, it says Isolde. Okay, whatever that might be. Then on the front we have our normal what and what. Then we see something in there. Nice big scissors with a nice spring. So that's quite cool. And then we also have, what do we also have? We also have this. We have a saw. So we have a saw and scissors. And then we have our big blade and our small blade. Okay, so very cool. Now this guy is a Huntsman. I have also never owned a Huntsman. Okay, so that makes me happy. Huntsman. Second new one for, so you can't see them. Second new one for the collection, and 2 that we can play with. Then this one. Excuse me. Beautiful blue. We are missing those things. Then we have corkscrew. We have our partial hook. We have our awl. And then we have only one awesome extra on this one. When I say extra, I mean compared to the Spartans. We have nice scissors. Okay, which means this is a climber. Now I already have 1 or 2 climbers, but I quite like having a bit more. Because normally I like the climber for EDC, and I like the the camper for outdoorsy stuff. where this one is best of both because you get both tools. Okay, is a bit thicker, one level, but it's still pretty awesome. Okay, so 3 I have already, 2 brand new ones for the collection, and then we will be doing all kinds of awesome stuff to these ones, and these ones we will just be making nice and new so we can put them back. This one is actually pretty good condition already. Okay, I'm going to add some footage from Huntex. Pickled Steel is there. If you are able to go, it is today. Well, I think today should be over by now. Tomorrow and Sunday. All of you stay safe, happy, have a good one. Goodbye.
You sound like Mom yesterday.